Did you get that roll?
Donald, I put it right there. Do you need it back?
No, no.
Okay, thanks. I just left it right there. Donald Wu is going to try a limited hockey this time. Did Dominion earlier. Box number 04. I actually just picked the box. Jean-Sebastian Giguère. Taylor Hall, 5 of 5. Green. Adam Henrique, $2.99. JT Brown, that one's numbered to $4.99. Patch autograph. The Kings. Semyon Varlamov, limited travels dual jersey, $1.99, and Yaroslav Halak, 11 of 49, Canadiens Blues. Looks like it's folded and matted. You would have to peel it back. That window has a peel on it.
Look at the whole side of the card.
Oh, never mind. The whole side of the card split. There you go. That patch must be bulgy. It made the card split. Another card that's messed up is the soup sandwich. I have to give you the barcode on that one too. That's 2 cards today that have been really mangled. Alright, thanks Woo.